Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can access Proton Drive from Proton Mail. So this is useful because it lets you securely manage your files and attachments all in one place. So make sure that you're already logged into your Proton account, and once you're here, you will just have to click this button right here, which is the Proton application. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will look for Drive, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that as well. And now you will just have to wait for it to load. So yeah. It might take a while depending on your internet connection or your web browser. So what you will have to do once you see this, you will just have to install it if you want. But yeah, it really depends on you. So now what you will have to do is you will just have to access your files. You will just have to click on the folders or computers, photos, or upload file if you want, upload folder. So it really depends on you. And yeah, that's basically how you can access your Proton Drive through Proton Mail. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.